How to get premium on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can get premium on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get premium on Spotify, if you're an iOS user, you will not be able to do from the app. If you're an Android user, you can do it from the app, but for the general context of this video, I'm not going to use the app. So you want to actually open your browser, just for easy purpose for everybody, and then go to spotify.com and then log into the free account on which you want to get the premium. If you haven't done so, you can also create an account. Now once you create your free account, we want to get premium on that account. So for that, after you log in, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to the option called view account, or you can directly go to this option here that says premium and then just tap on it. Once you tap the premium option here, you'll be able to see different sort of Spotify plans available. Premium individual, student plan, but for this you need to prove that you're a student, by the way, and it doesn't work for all students as well. There are some specific guidelines. I'm not sure really what it is. So if you think you're eligible, you can select this plan because it's quite cheaper compared to others, or you can select premium duo plan or premium family plan. Depending upon whatever you want, you can just go ahead and then tap the get premium individual plan here, and then after you've done that, make sure to simply enter your payment details. Another thing I want you to take mention here is that you can also change your country over here right from this page. So let's say you want to listen to songs from a specific country, you can change the country from here, and now you can enter your PayPal account details and log in, or you can enter your credit or debit card details, which I'm assuming most of you are going to do that. So go ahead and then make sure to enter your card number, expiration date, the security code. You can also save the card for one-time purchases next time, and then tap the buy now option, and Spotify subscription will be successfully bought. This way you'll be able to get premium on Spotify. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.